So to find the total function points in this paper, you look at the past paper that you're doing, you fill in whatever information you need to find, the PID, whatever. To complete the total function points, you go here, or usually they'll help you find out your project. You see all the tasks that I done, or that done for us, and it tells us how much it takes, how much function point it takes. So in 12 function points to create a custom app interface. And it also tells you on here that each staff will have different ways to figure out how many hours they need for per function point or per complex function point, you know. So as you can see, the app developer needs 5 hours per general function point. And make sure also in the paper you check how long does each staff work. And you can it will tell you at near the end of the information that they give you. So it's estimated that each staff will work 5 days a week and 7.5 hours. 5 days a week is not important, but the 7.5 hours is very important. Remember that. So, I want to check something. So remember, as you can see, in here, as I told you, which the information I told you before, the app developer takes 12 function points to complete creating a custom app interface. So function point will be 12 because it takes 12 function points, 12 general function points or function points, whatever you want to call it, to complete a custom app interface. And the per hour, which I told you that each staff has, the app developer may take 5 hours, but as you all can see, the app developer can also do complex function points that I calculate. So the senior staff can do complex function point and general function points. You just gotta break it down into small little steps, then you understand it. So we're gonna do the simplest one because keep it nice and simple. So yeah, as you can see, you do 12 times 5 because it's 5 hours per function points. So you do 12 times 5, which will give you 60 because 12 times 5, which is 60. Then you divide it because I told you before, check how many hours the staff is working. If the staff working 7 hours, you do 60 divided by 7. If the staff doing 8 hours, you do 60 divided by 8. But as you find out on the paper, the staff are doing 7.5 hours. So you do 60 divided by 7.5 hours. You press enter, it will give you 8. Then when you're working out the cost of each of the staff, you do 60 because you always times the amount of hours they work by the amount of pay. So you do 60 hours times 40. So it's 60 times 40, which is 2,400. Okay? Hopefully this information that I gave you is better than Hareen and all the other dickheads we have in tutors.